used in the production of ImplatechOne is supplied from worldwide well-known companies Dynamet Carpenter, USA, and Zap AG, Germany. Aluminum-free, unalloyed production without aluminum content marks the foundation of our manufacturing process. 100% precise control of each product, checked by cutting-edge digital software, laser and optical inspection systems. ImplatechOne is one of the very few manufacturers to employ deionized water technology as a coolant in the CNC production of implant components, a revolutionary departure from the traditional standard of industrial oil usage. ImplatechOne can meet high success and aesthetic expectations in all bone types with its natural tooth structure and bone-level root form design. This last-generation design offers significant advantages by demonstrating high success in immediate implantation and ridge split cases. Switch platform prevents bone loss, provides aesthetics, even in cases with thin gingival biotype. Easy management of the possible bone loss in the neck area due to peri-implantitis. Facilitates bone growth and attachment. Higher implant survival rates, bone-friendly manner, does not lead to stress or stress-related complications. Optimal internal locking with cold weld conical and octagonal connection. Enhances mechanical stability and reduces the bone loss caused by uneven stress distribution. The seamless conical interface effectively seals out bacteria while minimizing the risk of fluid oscillation. Conical and octagon. The octagonal connection, located 1.5 mm deeper than the end of 1.5 mm deep conical connection, allows for a very deep connection of 3 mm. On the one hand, it gives a 20% stronger connection compared to other connections. On the other hand, it provides the necessary sealing to be aware of micro-leakage. Optimal bone implant integration BCP surface technology. Hydroxyapatite and tricalcium phosphate are key ceramic components in dental biomaterials, closely mimic the structure of natural bone. ImplatechOne implants leverage a biocompatible biphasic calcium phosphate, BCP blasting, enriched with over 65% hydroxyapatite. Through a precise microblast process, we achieve a uniformly textured surface, fostering exceptional bone implant contact. The latest generation, tissue-friendly biphasic calcium phosphate surface. Implant bodies with tested surfaces have a shelf life of 5 years with GAMA sterilization. ImplatechOne can meet high success and aesthetic expectations in all bone types with its natural tooth structure, bone level and root form design. This design also provides a great advantage in cases where the implant is placed by splitting thin ridges. The ImplatechOne implant body is packed inside a transparent, medically approved plastic bottle. The box is covered with gelatin with a practical tear-off strip, which facilitates the removal of the gelatin cover. The vial consists implant body and the cover screw. These two titanium pieces are placed into vial in the clean room, which is sterile atmosphere. Both surgical sets include all kinds of equipment you may need during the operation. You can transfer the implant to the implant site you prepared, either by hand with a ratchet or with your implant motor. The longer hand driver, which enhances success and ease of use, provides more comfort to dentists, especially when working on lower quality D3 to D4 bones in the maxillary area. The drills produced with carbon and titanite coating technology prevent corrosion compared to drills produced from different raw materials. And by reducing the friction coefficient, this coating increases sharpness and surface hardness. While these advantages extend the life of the drill, it also prevents micronecrosis areas that may occur in preparation sites where drills contact the bone. Depths are indicated by the laser marking method on this black coating surface. While depth lines can be seen very clearly on the coating, Pilot are designed with stoppers for safe and easy surgery. From hand driver to osteotome, parallel pins and implant drills match precisely, and they fit perfectly to the implant preparation site. You can make the osteotomy compatible with your implant and create solutions for cases with insufficient bone, sinus lifting, using the hand driver adapter and parallel pins that perfectly fit one another. For practical, comfortable and simple use, you can manage 100% of your prosthetic parts with a single 1.25mm prosthetic driver that meets international standards. Determining the cervical margins properly is crucial in achieving aesthetic results in root crown fitting. ImplatechOne impression pieces are designed separately for NP and RP platforms. You can take accurate impressions with parts that fit either the open or closed tray technique. Anatomic healing abutments, designed at different heights, will facilitate flawless progression in your aesthetic approaches, together with analogues that model the implant exactly. Cemented restoration solutions. These abutments, which are preferred in traditional implant prosthetic approaches, provide solutions for indications such as single crowns, bridges, and total prosthetic restorations. Alternative designs such as profile abutment, dual abutment, aesthetic abutment, 15-25 degrees. Angled aesthetic abutment give the user the most accurate functional use aesthetically based on the position of the implant and the relationship between bone, soft tissue, crown. Overdenture restoration solutions. With ball abutment and locator abutment, we offer a removable Rhine 83 and/or Kerator prosthesis option that provides high retention and stability on implants without angular problems in total edentulous cases. In addition, Zest Anchor plastic and metal caps housing matrix are compatible with ImplatechOne locator abutment, which is used in order to be loaded with up to ±20-degree angulation in both angled and removable total edentulous prosthetic restorations. Multi-unit N restoration solutions. Occlusally screw-retained abutments are favoured in modern implant prosthetics. They help to minimize complications associated with residual cement, enhance long-term implant success, and offer advantages in cases with limited vertical bone dimension. These abutments are also ideal for zircon abutment-zircon crown combinations and bar-retained prostheses in total edentulism. Digital CAD/CAM restoration solutions. It offers all digital solutions that allow you to mill custom-made abutments, either from zircon or titanium pre-milled abutments, which are compatible with different digital platforms for bridges and single crowns. Evidence-based dental education. Our master programs, in collaboration with the best reputed universities and institutes. Oral implantology, clinical periodontology, orthodontics, PhD in implantology, implantology and oral maxillofacial cadaver course. Expand your implantology expertise. Whether you're new to implants or looking to refine your advanced surgical skills, this course is designed to meet your needs. Your path to implant perfection. ImplatechOne.